Hey guys, Damo down at uni again. Sorry, I'm still short a cameraman, so I'm just going to have to do it like this. We just had this Victory Bower come in. Different from some of the other vans. What is it? It's 40 foot or 12 foot, 2 bedrooms. Let me take it in and have a quick look at it. Brand spanking new. Obviously you've got the front opening doors as you saw from the front. Looks a bit like the Victory Stonewood. It's just different colours. Nice leather sofa. Front opening doors, so you're going to need a bit of a decking with it. I tried to use this gimbal earlier on. Nah, not a bit of me. Couldn't get it to work. A fireplace, nice big area for your TV to sit. Dining area, all open plan. Nice big kitchen area, fridge freezer, boiler cupboard. It's quite nice. Oh, got the microwave as well. Let's have a look through the back here. I'll just shut this door because I did have the front doors open. Oh, hat and coat hook cupboard. It's nice. What's this? A bathroom. Oh, it's got a bath in it. Nice. Well, okay, so Jack and Jill. You can go through that door before you come into the bedroom. Use it as an ensuite as well. Nice big bed though. Size of them beds. Double glazed central heated as standard. And the master bedroom. Again, very tastefully done. Cupboards everywhere. Wardrobes. Drawers. Place for your TV to sit. And what's this? Ensuite toilet. Oh, ensuite shower room. Very nice. Very nice. This is a Victory Bower. Like I say, brand spanking new. Literally just got put on here 5 minutes ago. Give us a few questions in the comments and let us know what you think of it. Just, if it's liked, we'll get a few more. Telephone number is 07976 827734. It's Damo down at Unity Beach, Breen, Somerset. TA8 2RB. Speak to you soon, guys.